As a result of the SciTech-CGTech partnership, Vericut can connect to CNC machines via SciTech's data exchange machine monitoring software. Vericut has expanded on the CNC Machine Connect module to include a standalone CNC Precheck application. The CNC Precheck application can be used on shop floor computers or Windows tablets next to the CNC machine to compare setup information in the CNC machine to the corresponding settings in your Vericut simulation. By ensuring these settings match as closely as possible, users can avoid unpleasant surprises from occurring in the shop. Before pressing Cycle Start, use the CNC Precheck app to act as a quick go, no-go gauge to verify the real setup on the machine matches what was simulated in Vericut. For additional information about the Precheck capabilities, see the CNC Machine Connect video.